Hello everyone, this is Almas Ahmed. I'll be demonstrating my Industrial Attachment Assignment 1, Ubuntu Linux Administration. I started by installing Oracle VirtualBox on my host system. Then I created a new virtual machine named Ubuntu 25, assigned 2 CPU cores and 4 gigabytes of RAM. And then I finished installing Ubuntu as the operating system. After that, the setup is completed and the virtual machine booted successfully. Next, I installed Xshell from Netsarang. Then I enabled and started SSH services and connected to the virtual machine from my host computer using Xshell. After login, I installed OpenSSH server inside the virtual machine using the command. I gave password. Yes, this shows active running. Then I filled up the information of Xshell, giving the host port number. Then I connect. Then I filled up with my username and my password. Yeah, this shows my Xshell is connected with Ubuntu. After the connection, I explored the Linux folder hierarchy using the command ls. I observed important directories like home, etc., var, bin. Then I worked on user management. I created a new user named student2. Using this command sudo add user student2. I gave password for my and the student2 user is created. Then I gave permission and I filled up the information giving the full name, room number, work phone, home phone, and others. And then I gave it admin rights with this command. I also tested switching and deleting users successfully with this command. Sudo del user student2. Then I practiced basic file operations such as copying, renaming. I started with file and permission management. I created a test directory using mkdir and a file inside it with echo hello world in a file 1.txt. I verified the changes with ls. This shows file 1 is there. Then I changed its ownership using the chown command. Oops, I guess I made a mistake. Another user wasn't created. I gave permission using chmod. Then I verified it. After that, I practice some basic file operations. Starting with cat, which shows what's inside my file1.txt. Oh, pardon my mistake. This should be nano. Okay. After that, cp, it means copying. We are copying the text from file1.txt to file2.txt. Oh, there was a mistake. I forgot to give a slash. Now this is correct. Now let's check. Yeah, there is file1.txt and file2.txt. Now let's rename the file 2.txt with new name.txt. Let's see, here is file 2 is now new name.txt. Now let's start with package management. I installed several required applications using the apt packet manager. As you can see, I have already installed all the packages. Let's verify. Nano is installed, MySQL is installed, Apache is already installed. All of them is already installed. Then I figured the uncomplicated firewall known as UFW. I enabled it using this command and checked its status. I also allowed essential ports such as 23 and 432, and I denied 124. Let's check the status again. As you can see, I have allowed and denied that 223, 432 and 124. Let's delete.